This is where Josh should be excelling. He's the longer fighter, should be touching PAPI from this distance.
Salt PAPI, nandurog na naman. Matatandang sumabog ang pangalang Salt PAPI sa mundo ng boxing nung pinasok niya ang nasabing sports. Boxing ng mga sikat na social media, influencer. May dugong Pinoy itong si Salt PAPI pero isinilang at lumaki sa England. Kilalang maangas sa ibabaw ng lona pero hindi hanggang angas lang kundi talagang may matinding abilidad din sa nasabing palakasan. Unang nakalaban niya ay si Halal Ham na isa ding social media influencer. Tinalo niya ito via unanimous decision. Sumunod na nakalaban niya ay si Andy Warski. Bato-bato man ang katawan ng kalaban pero first round lang pinabagsak na agad ni Kabayan gamit ang kaliwa na singlakas kay Pacman. At mas lalo kang mamamangha dahil sa pangatlong laban niya kontra sa sinasabing magbibigay umano ng pahirap kay Salt PAPI na si BRUECKNER ay second round lang tapos na agad ang laban. Parang trusong natumba itong kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Dihado man sa mata ng karamihan itong si Salt PAPI dahil nga mas matangkad, mas malaki at may bato-batong katawan itong si BRUECKNER. Dagdag mo pa ang pagiging boxer at MMA fighter nito pero hindi ito inatrasan ni Kabayan. Inangasan lang niya sa ring at isang 1-2 na combo ang pinakain sa kalaban. Bagsak na parang truso ito sa ibabaw ng lona. Ating balikan ang highlights ng labang Salt PAPI versus BRUECKNER.
That confidence on Salt PAPI's face though, Todd. You don't have that for no reason. He told me earlier this week, I let you people see what I want you to see. Tonight he can't hide a single thing.
I can't lie, I love the confidence on Salt PAPI, man. He is a superstar.
Not an ounce of fat on the body of BRUECKNER.
Oh, and he's talking to him here.
Good night, to be honest.
You know, maybe BRUECKNER should be more aggressive. Should he be trying to outbox Salt PAPI?
No respect right now from Salt PAPI. A little bit. Instead of cutting off the ring, he's going to walk on the one.
Salt PAPI looks like he might be trying to lure him into a trap.
You're seeing him make him miss,
And then he's going to make him pace very soon.
Left hand go. But Josh doing a good job of circling away from it. PAPI told him he was too slow, then 8-1 to the body.
PAPI caught him, it looked like, with a right hook on the way in. A lot of posturing from PAPI, who really hasn't done much offensively himself.
Hey,
until that left.
That shot landed hard.
Yeah, buckled BRUECKNER got him off kilter.
Incredible.
He's helping Josh with these shots. He has got some big time power there. Josh staying composed, but that's too much. Too much room. Josh has got to be more creative when he's coming into range here. He's just going with the jab.
Sorry, Wade, but BRUECKNER just being way too stiff.
All he needs.
Shot. He needs... Completely stopped the attack from Salt PAPI by holding. That was a good first round.
Creative. Right now, PAPI's seeing everything and countering over the top. Speed is beating the lack of timing, I would say, for Josh right now. It's like he's going through the motions.
Let's see if PAPI steps on the gas a little bit here offensively. He rattled Josh when he bulldozed him.
Man, get away from that left hand, but PAPI throws it almost Conor McGregor-esque.
See a cut for Josh. Oh, look at him, Josh.
And he went downstairs too.
Now Josh is showing some more. He started to see that Josh is actually a threat. This fight is going to get very interesting as the rounds go by.
The left side of Josh's face is turning completely red and swelling up.
And it goes back to what I was saying about this left hand. PAPI throws it almost like Conor McGregor. He overthrows that left hand, falls into range, and then follows up. It allows him to...
This is where Josh should be excelling. He's the longer fighter, should be touching PAPI from this distance.
What a shot!
Man,
What a shot!
He may not get up.
Clean.
He's
struggling here.
He's got it over. It's all over. Whoa! PAPI train rolls down the track.
might be the most beautiful shot I've seen in this situation.
Clean.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.